Hello viewers, in this video I will be talking about how to use tools that use color in Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, and all things that you can do with it. The first thing that I will talk about is the eyedropper tool. The eyedropper tool is a tool that can match a color on a photo being edited for you to be able to draw over it or extend your image. It is used by clicking on the part of the photo you want while grabbing the RGB colors of that image and then making a new swatch for you to use. It will be seen in use later in this video. Color swatches are the colors that you are using on your project. These can also be edited and transformed with shapes and tools with the Edit tool in Adobe Illustrator. Color swatches can also be edited in Adobe Illustrator by using the gradient tool and moving the slider in order to change the location of where the color change is happening. You will see that the color of the rectangle is changing in the demo you are about to see. So you have to start off by making a rectangle, and then you can move to the gradient tab where you can hit the type of gradient that you would like to use. While doing this, you can hit any of the circles on the page and move over to the swatches and hit whatever color you would like. While moving the circles, you are able to move the location of where the colors are happening. And as you can see, you can pick any color that you would like, and this would work. You could also move any of the circles that you would like in order to make the changes that you would like to the image, as well as the swatches, in order to make a new gradient that you could use in any of your projects. You can use the brush tool and the eyedropper tool in order to erase blemishes in photos. For instances, as you can see, I'm currently grabbing the color of the shirt and then drawing over the hair with the same color as the shirt to change the color of the hair to the same color as the shirt from the image. This tool can come in handy in many different ways, but this was just one of those ways that you can use this tool. And here's the demo that you're about to see. I select the color of the shirt, and as you can see in the color, that changes from white to red. And then you can move over to the brush tool and start drawing in wherever you like on the image, and in this case I chose to draw in my hair. There are also multiple ways to select colors in Photoshop as well. You can use the RGB scale, and that scale uses 3 different numbers of shades of red, yellow, and blue. Another option is using HSB, and this option uses hue, saturation, and brightness. There are many other options that Photoshop uses, including a color wheel and a hue cube, but RGB and HSB are the main ones that I use, and as you can see in the video, this is how you use them. There are also pre-made patterns that you can use for color on your images. These patterns can also be used as a background for adding texture to your project, and here is how you do that. So you start off by making a square, and when you make the square, you can go to Appearances and hit Fill, and once you're inside of Fill, you can hit the far right option so you can get to Patterns, and once you're inside of Patterns, you are able to choose any pattern that you would like to use for your image. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you found it helpful with learning about using colors in Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator.